the A8, Audi's flagship saloon car. This car is very, very special indeed. 4,000 miles on a 2020 70 registration, full Audi service history. So it's done 4, but it's had an Audi service. It's a 50 TDI, V6, 286 brake horsepower. And the 50 TDI means basically it's a 3-litre diesel engine, Quattro, so 4-wheel drive. But in the Black Edition spec, it transforms the A8 from probably an executive looking car to a car that anyone would buy and drive. Stunning, stunning car. Now the price of this car is key. Live priced at £46,990 with loads of Audi's warranty, Audi breakdown assistance and mega spec. This car is phenomenal. So starting from the front, it's got the Matrix HD LED headlights, which are incredible. The most up-to-date technology like Audi do in the headlight. This car's got panoramic roof, head-up display, soft closed doors, 20-inch wheels, another spec I'll talk to you as we go around the car. But in the A8, Audi have widened the front grille. So at the front end, the grille is narrower but wider. It just makes the car look more aggressive, wider on the road, and it's a very, very, very long and wide car as it is. The most executive saloon car that Audi do. But the Black Edition style you'll see from the front, black grille. Then the wheels. 20-inch Black Edition wheels, polished edges, black inserts, all immaculate. Beautiful, beautiful wheels. The panoramic roof, you'll see we've opened it for the video. That's a big option on the car. Stunning to have. It's a big roof, extends into the rear of the car. Privacy glass, black window surrounds. This is all the Black Edition styling. The colour is Mythos Black, so on this section of the car under the lights, you'll see that stunning, stunning colour on the car. And then at the back, the LED light strip running across the full back end of the car, which is beautiful. Now this is a V6 3-litre diesel engine. The torque's brilliant. It's 4-wheel drive, power to all 4 wheels, 286 brake horsepower. It's very fast. And in the gearbox this car's got, it's seamless gear changes. It's literally like a train, this car. The back end's all de-chromed apart from the badges, so all the rear exhaust finishes and the diffuser at the bottom, that's all black. Stunning the back end of this car, by the way. The boot's ginormous. So whether you're a chauffeur, you're going to be using the car for business purposes, or you've got a family, that boot is one of the market-leading capacities you can get. Power-operated tailgate, soft closed boot. We also have soft closed doors on this car. Keyless entry. I'll show you how the soft closed doors work. So if I shut the door, it's sucked in, it's brilliant, it really is. Inside, fine Napa leather, quilted seats, the big armrest, and then just jumping in this car, it's so luxurious. There's so much leg room, lovely armrest, very comfortable. With the sunroof, it's a great place to sit in the back or the front. Being a Black Edition as well, there's some really nice styling features on the inside. The piano black inlays into the doors, across the dash. The car's got electric memory seats for driver and passenger. The seats are fully electric. They go up, down, left, right, wherever you want them to go, it's all electric. The unbelievable operating system in these cars. The car's got adaptive cruise control. It's got reversing camera. The seats, being a Black Edition S-Line, so the base of this car is the S-Line, so bigger bumpers, extended rear arches, extended side sills, a sportier looking car. Then the Black Edition spec obviously takes the S-Line and de-chromes it all, but you still get the sport seats. So if you look at the seats from driver's side, the S-Line quilted seats, which are the sport seats. We've got power folded heated electric door mirrors, sport steering wheel. It's just a cracking car. So luxurious. The heated seats are on, bloody hell, it's hot. Very, very quiet noise to the diesel engine on startup. It's very quiet, but it has got some aggression. When you drive it, it's very quick. Same engine that they put in the Q8, the 286 brake horsepower engine. Dashboard, very important. Now the live cockpit digital dash, which you show your trip computer, your nav, your mobile phone, all that stuff is displayed directly behind the steering wheel. Voice control in these cars is excellent, excellent. You can talk to the car and basically say anything to the car, and it's the flagship thing that Audi put in these new A8, and it is absolutely fabulous. Adaptive cruise control is just behind the steering wheel here, so the car will drive itself. It's all got lane departure and lane assist. Then into the middle, this beautiful two-tone ceramic screen, which seamlessly blends into the dashboard. If you look, all the black, you can hardly see the screen where it ends and starts, which is lovely. We've got reversing camera with your surround view graphic, haptic touchscreen interface, so the car will learn how you touch the screen and how all that works. Navigation, voice control navigation, voice control, Apple and Android CarPlay, wireless phone charging. Under here, there's a little section where you can put your phone in under there for your wireless phone charging. The drive select function, again, it's an important point on this car. Efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, everything's there. It has got air suspension as part of that. If I show you again, your air suspension is there. So depending on what setting is, the car will raise and lower. It's another big feature. Heated rear screen, everything's there. It's just stunning. The safety features of these cars are incredible. Then we've got the head-up display, which I mentioned at the start of the video. You can make it out just about there. That displays lots of cool features as you're driving around in the car. It's a cracker. The sunroof's amazing. Main features for me, adaptive cruise, head-up display, sunroof, and then the way the car looks. It's a brilliant looking car from the front, side or rear. Presented in immaculate condition, loads of Audi warranty and breakdown assistance remaining. Europe-wide with Audi, so if you were in Germany or France driving this car and it broke down, you would still get the benefit of that. But it's a brilliant car with 4,000 miles, great spec, and a brilliant, brilliant price. My name's Richard. Give me a call, answer any questions on this car. Finance doesn't look too bad on this car either, 6.9% APR. Give me a call on my number on the screen. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.